Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the July Allure Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly beauty subscription. It is put out by the Allure magazine editorial staff, so they choose the best in beauty and put it in a box and send it to us to all try out. It is $25 a month and does get a little bit cheaper if you do a quarterly subscription or an annual subscription, so you can check out the specials. There are from time to time different coupons as well. I will leave a link in the description box below for you guys to check out the website. In this box, you should get 6 or more items, with 3 or more of them being full-size items, and it should have $100 or more value. There are some months that you get to pick one of the items that's in your box. This is not one of those months, so this is going to be an Allure only pick, so I'm excited to see what they got for us this month. Let's check it out. All right, let's take first look. Whoops. First look always is a piece of paper falling out of it. You get some advertisements. There's a card. There is a little pamphlet in our tissue wrapped products. There they are. Let's take a closer look. The little pamphlet should have information on the products that we have in our box. It may not have everything in there, but it should have most of it. Our first item is Better Not Younger, and this is a Lift Me Up thickening spray, and what we have here is a 2-ounce sample. This is going to be a deluxe sample or travel size depending on your definition of those. Okay, I'm going to just read some information out of the pamphlet about our Better Not Younger sample. This says, this is a retail value for a 6-ounce bottle would be $37 for the thickener. Some people will also be getting the conditioner, hair conditioner for this, which would be a $29 value for an 8-ounce size. We got a 2-ounce size sample. So for this one, a 2-ounce size sample is about a $10 or $12 value. So that's not bad at all for a deluxe sample. And this says, this is a Lift Me Up hair thickener, or you would be getting the Wake Up Call volumizing conditioner. So I like a good hair thickener. You guys, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been struggling with my hair and want to look fuller and more voluminous. So I'm going to try this out and see how that works. So I'm excited for that sample. Our next item is from Tula Skincare, and this is a Glow and Get It, and this is an eye balm. This says it is probiotics and superfoods from the Tula brand, and this is a full size, and this is a $38 value. This is a 0.35 of an ounce, a little over a third of an ounce, and this is a cooling and brightening eye cream. This is a cooling and brightening eye balm. And this says you just swipe the balm across your eye, over your eyebrows and crow's feet area. You treat the whole area to the cooling and hyaluronic infused formula. So this is going to be something that you put under your eye and around, all through here, and it should be amazing. So I'm excited to try that. So this is from Tula Skincare, and this is again a $38 value. So this is one of our full-size products. I'm going to say I don't think we actually have 3 full-size products in here. We'll find out. Our next product is from YSL, and this is Blur Primer. So this is going to be a primer. This is a deluxe sample. This is going to be a 10 ml size. The full size is 30 ml, and the full size is a $56 value. So a third of that is what we have here. So $15-ish, $15 to $18 worth of primer. So that's a really good primer. And this is going to be, this says you put it on under your foundation or mix it with it, and it gives you a sheer glowier finish. So that's nice. You might give you that dewy look everybody likes. So we have a YSL primer. Our next product is from Flannery. And I don't know if it's it's got a zhuzh across the top of it. So I'm going to say Flannery Pore Refining Exfoliator, and this is Water Lily PHA, and this is a full size, so we do actually have 3 full-size products in this box. This is a 46 milliliter size and a $52 value for this, and this says you will once a week after cleansing massage a small amount of the exfoliator and then thoroughly rinse it away. So this is a once a week exfoliator, and being a 1.5 ounce, that should actually last quite a bit, especially if you're only using it once a week. So $52 value there. So we definitely got our $100 value in this box. Our next item is going to be a deluxe sample from Biro. And this is, the full size of this would be $142 at 65 milliliter. We have a 10 milliliter size. So a little under a sixth of a $145 product. So that's pretty decent. This is a Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. So this one, you will use it before bed in place of your usual nighttime moisturizer whenever you're looking for extra hydration. So there's a little bit in there. I think I could probably get maybe 4 or 5 good uses out of that. It's not the biggest sample, but it's enough to get a good try for a really expensive product, a high-end product. You're going to get enough to really get a good try out of it. So great little moisturizer. Our last item is our last full-size item, and this is from Malin & Goetz, or Malin & Goetz, I'm going to say. And this is the Dark Rum Perfume Oil. And this is the full size at $36. It says, if dark and stormies remind you of summer nights, this perfume oil with notes of rum, ripe plum, and ripe plum will be a nostalgic hit. It's inspired by that classic sailor's favorite bay rum with a sweet, crisp finish that makes it overall effect sparkling and not boozy. So this is a little rollerball perfume oil. I do want to smell it. And this is the size you get. This is going to be a 9 milliliter size. So this is a full size. It's a purse size. That does smell nice. I think it's a little heavier than a fragrance that I normally like, but it does smell nice. If this is the kind of fragrance you like, if you like that heavy kind of rum, plummy, fruity, dark scents, this is a good one and you will enjoy that. And again, another full-size product, $36. So we got well over our $100 value promise in here, and we did get our 3 full-size products. And we did get 6 total items. So this was a great box from Allure, you guys. Just to recap, we got our Tula Eye Balm. We got our Biro Moisturizer Sample. We got our Flannery Exfoliating Cream. We got our Better Not Younger Hair Thickener. We got a YSL Primer. And we got a Malin & Goetz Perfume. Malin & Goetz. I'll get that right one of these days. So we got a really great box from Allure. I am enjoying the subscription. I've told you guys before, it is one of my favorite boxes. I sometimes sit and think, if I didn't have the channel, which boxes would I get just for me and just for the products that I want to use and boxes that I enjoy opening? Allure is definitely on that list. I really enjoy it for the price. $25 is the most you'll pay for this box. I think mine is the $21 range because I get the quarterly upgrade. So I encourage you to check it out. I will leave the link below. I don't have a coupon code or anything for you guys, but you can check out the links on Allure and see what sales that they have going for you there. I want to thank you so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you did enjoy this box and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.